All Health Training is a leading healthcare training provider, specialising in healthcare education.
All trainers at All Health Training, they work in the industry that they train in.
That means they have hands-on experience in the skills and knowledge they provide to our students.
We offer a range of nationally recognised training courses in Pathology Collection, Individual Support, both ageing and disability streams, Health Services Assistance, and Disability Support. All Health Training has 2 state-of-the-art training campuses across Melbourne, Blackburn and Narre Warren.
We've invested really heavily in our equipment and our simulated rooms, which have been endorsed by industry.
Once a student is out working, they're familiar and they're comfortable in that environment.
We believe in the student centricity model, which is that our students are a name, not a number. The industry partnerships that we have, that is because of long-standing quality training and the relationships that we've built with industry.
I achieved everything I came here to achieve. Get a job and love it, love it.
The feedback that you get from your trainers and the support you get from your trainers is exceptional.
Just do it. It's so rewarding, this job.
All Health Training, making you the future of healthcare.